Hello! In this video, you will learn about appointment categories. Appointment and meeting categories play a crucial role in LeadCenter's calendaring system. Appointment categories serve three primary purposes: reporting, calendar coloring, and public calendar booking. Let's explore each in detail. For example, categories like first visit, not a client, or second visit, not a client, help visualize meetings and appointment reports. If I click on Reports and open Appointment Reports, I can see that the First Appointments with New Prospects report is entirely based on the first visit, not a client category. It's important to use this category whenever you schedule a meeting with a prospect who has not yet become a client. The second purpose of appointment categories is calendar coloring. In the LeadCenter calendar, appointments are color-coded based on their category, making it easier to identify different types of meetings at a glance. The third purpose is public calendar booking. Categories can be optionally displayed in the public calendar, allowing clients to choose the category that best matches their meeting type. When creating an appointment from the internal calendar, selecting a category is one of the key steps. Here, you can choose from the available categories. When scheduling meetings with prospects who haven't yet become clients, be sure to use one of the following four categories. These categories are first visit, not a client, second visit, not a client, third visit, not a client, and fourth visit, not a client. If you don't select one of these categories, the appointment won't be included in the appointment tracking reports. Now let's learn how to configure appointment categories. Click on your name in the upper right corner and select Settings. This will open the Settings page. Navigate to the Calendars tab, and then click on Appointment Categories. On this page, you will find four system-defined categories that cannot be changed. The software also includes default categories that can be updated or modified. Additionally, you can add new categories as needed. To add a new category, specify its name, choose a color, and decide whether it should be visible in the public calendar. After creating the category, click Save to apply your changes. This is how you can add a new category to the system. Once created, these categories will appear as options when scheduling a new appointment in the calendar. Thank you for watching.